Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It is Wednesday, December 16th. I'm just going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had negative trade really across the board for both grain and meats. Your one thing that the market was really looking for today was your FOMC meeting details, and it came out that they did decide to increase interest rates. They just increased them very slightly, 1/4 to 0.5% floating. And so what you came in here and had was a little bit of a reversal in that dollar from being up about 10 cents to being down about 40 to 60 cents. The big thing to take from this is that if you continue to see a little bit of weakness in that dollar coming back down to, say, even the 97 range, we're in the mid 98s, you'll be able to see a little bit of strength probably follow through into the commodity market. So that weaker dollar is friendly towards grains, especially the wheat market, as it is so globally driven. There is no news out there for both corn, beans, or wheat. Beans, the only story coming off is the fact that you still have an extended forecast that looks a little bit hot and dry for your growing conditions in Brazil, but the fact is we've been coming off about a month, 2 months now that we've gotten those timely rains. Extended forecast is calling for rains once again to Brazil, and so if you continue to see that for the next 2 weeks to a month, you're probably going to be okay in the developing areas, and you're not going to have any issues there. And so you have that story maybe in soybeans. It's really not a story to go off of, but you definitely have no stories in both corn and wheat. Abundant supplies out there. Coming into January, you will get a final production number for U.S. Carry out, and so what you're going to look at there is really, that's a big mover, but that's still 3 weeks out. And so overall, no news. Just seems like it just wants to keep it a tight range. You're towards the bottom end of the range where corn has found support. It should be able to bounce off that once again. But overall, you still got a little bit of ways to go on both soybeans and wheat. Moving into the meat market, lower trade both there. Live cattle, feeder cattle down over $1. Lean hogs broke into the day down 60 cents to $1 there. Outside markets, like I said, reversal in the dollar, went from up 10 cents to down 60 cents. The Dow is slightly higher right now. Crude market was lower majority of the day. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.